I bought the Richie for a quarter, but I sold it for a nickel. Hold on, let me hit the blunt. I'm bringing real niggas home, shit, I'm the realest, it's official. Yeah, when I shot.
What's up, lovelies? Welcome back to my channel. I have another hair vlog, and this install was by my girl M Beauty on Instagram. Her tag and everything will be on the screen and down in the description box. So if you live in New York City, definitely make sure you check her out to get your wig installs. So this here is a wig from Amazon. It is a 5x5 lace wig. It is in 30 inches. And it is also body wave. I'll have all the specs and stuff on the screen and down in the description box. Shout out to them for sponsoring this video. Of course, I have the link, like I said, down in the description box. If you don't know who I am, my name is Mckinlee Brooke. I make fashion vlogs here. We need that type of content. If you're interested in that type of content, head on over to my channel, click that subscribe, like all those buttons. It helps me so much. And I'm not gonna ramble on too long, y'all. Let's just get right into this video. And if you want to see how this wig turned out, definitely stay.
Also DMX shit, I group on my exes. I tell them they belong to me, that goes on for forever. And I think we just get closer when we not together. You tell me that I'm confusing, more immature than Marcus Houston. Cuts too deep for a band-aid solution. We too deep in this thing, you never lose me. LOL, I'm glad you find this shit amusing. Heard a lot about me before we started off. I know you heard of my pool parties like Mardi Gras. I know you heard of my girl is sponsored by Audemars. That's why she always correcting me when my time is off. And my house is the definition of alcohol and weed addiction. You got a different vision. You wanna walk around naked in the kitchen without running into one of my niggas. That's not the way we live it. Too much going on, it's just not realistic. These days I don't talk about them days like I miss them. And you shouldn't miss them either, we different people. But every time we speak it, it's like a lot of games being played. How's it going down? So until we gone, and I got to know now. Is you with me or what? Yeah. It's like a lot of games are being played. How's it going down? So until we gone, and I got to know now. Is you with me or what? Yeah. I wanna know how much time you spend on them paragraphs when you getting me. All that gray in our conversation history, you playing mind games when you saying things. Playing mind games, we both doing the same thing. Slide on a late night, you like to slide on a late night. You send all you hit sex without an invite. That's that shit that I don't like. We both slide on a late night, do things in our own time. We both face no mistakes tomorrow. Yeah, how's that for real? You swing with it like Happy Meal. 3 dots, you thinking of a reaction still. Why you typing? Make sure you tell me what type of games are being played. How's it going down? So until we gone, and I got to know now. Is you with me or what? Yeah. What type of games are being played? How's it going down? So until we gone, and I got to know now. Is you with me or what?
Damn right, we take turns being wrong. I get real accountable when I'm alone. I get real about it all when I'm alone. It's so crazy missing you when I get on. Now Julio make me fulfill. And I might hit your phone up with that bye. Listen, my da. Listen, that all of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs and not shit. You a damn drug, toxic. All the sex on replay, running back like a DJ. Tipping on your face while you eat that. Trying to make a bad bitch behave. I was just waiting for you, put the pussy away for you, thinking I would wait for you. And that damn now, Julio made me a fool for you. And I might hit your phone up with that rah-rah-rah. Missing my da-da-da, missing that ah-ah-ah. And all of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs ain't not shit. You a damn drug, yeah. Toxic. Problematic. You know that dick always been problematic. Somehow I'm always caught in your dramatics, all in your acrobatics. You know I want to stay. Tell me to throw it back. And that damn time Julio made me a Scorpio. I still hit your phone up with the rah-rah-rah. Missing my da-da-da, missing that ah-ah-ah. All of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs and toxic. You a damn drug, yeah. Toxic.
Look at my history. I'm trying to see what's different from that guy in the richer me. The only thing I see is custom miles from Tiffany and some gunners that'll hit you out of nowhere like epiphany. Really, that's it to me. Aside from the obvious, man, the changes in scenery. Testing me, gon' have my niggas testing machinery. They say that they happy, my man, that's not how they seem to be. The boy, he wild and peaceful, rest in peace, Tina Marie. Ethics and values, mob traditions, old fashioned, monopoly action. Ronnie buying up Brentwood like he's still in Akron. A lot of pain, a lot of passion, a lot of relaxing while other niggas is overreacting. That's how we continue down the path of Jordan and Jackson. That's some insight for y'all, even if no one's asking. Last year, niggas really feel like they rode on me. Last year, niggas got hot cause they told on me. I'm about to call the bluff of anybody that fold on me. I'm buying the building of every door that closed on me. Yeah, Lord Piana and Brioni, the one and only. Champagne Papa, the love doctor. Your baby mother call me when she's lonely. My tailor see me twice a week, he like my homie. Forever grateful, forever thankful. Diamond necklace, but she wears it on her ankle. The bitch is trendy. My enemies send each other the text that they could never send me. I'm banking $2 million a show for the residency. Nevada Gaming Commission in a frenzy. How much money can this casino lend me? Ripping markers up over shots of the Henny. Vivid memory, can someone send me a real nigga interlude? To me, Benny Hanna is pigeon food. It's not a forgiving mood. So much we gotta count the 20s up in a different room. I am just a body that my brothers are living through. Keeping my connection strictly physical. Everyone that's married is miserable. I know that is not a lifestyle I can give it to. The rise to the top of this mountain has been biblical. I don't carry cash cause the money is digital. It's the American Expresser, the debt collector. Hailing all the way from the Mecca. Got something for Trudy and Rebecca. This shit could last forever. The mind controller, the Ayatollah. I built a bridge to success and had visions of me riding over. Step in the room and October gets a lot closer. Haunted houses, I don't know how to count in thousands. Only millions, gotta tell your friends I'm not the villain. Send them to Lagos or Turks and Caicos, Barbados, Trinidad and Tobago. Never go the same places they go, separate vacations. A far cry from when Drizzy and slept in the basement. I was never on the path to get into Cambridge. I mean, I was good at doing math, but I'm better with language. Borderline dangerous, approach with caution. I plan to buy your most personal belongings when they up for auction. Man, truth be told, I think about it often. The petty king, the overseer of many things. I wish that I was playing in a sport where we were getting rings. I wouldn't have space on either hand for anything. West Hollywood, know my presence is menacing. Cosa Nostra, shady dealings, racketeering. The syndicate got their hand in plenty things. The things that we've done to protect the name are unsettling. With no regrets though, the name will echo. Years later, none greater. Death to a coward and a traitor, that's just in my nature.
I bought the Richie for a quarter, but I sold it for a nickel. Hold on, let me hit the blunt. I'm bringing real niggas home, shit, I'm the realest, it's official. Yeah, when I start stressing, I get bored, might spend $1 million, that shit tickle. On the three-way, me and slow, he called L's and we both pickle. In the cell, but you can't tell that we in the jail, cause we don't feel no pain unless them kids say in vain that I miss you. If you my dog, I'm tryna put you on the shit that I'm on. Super drippy, made the padded master, kicks got on. Told him, semi-automatic, ain't no pushing me, dog. Time bomb, niggas ticking me off. Look at the skyline, front of penthouse, like Walt Disney, dog. Send it to the mall and tell her get some DR. Met a text her best friend, she said he Christian me, y'all. And the crazy part about it, there wasn't shit to me, y'all. Shit, I've been winning a long time, I know they sick of me, y'all. Got me switching up my flow again, switching up my hoe again. Everybody been changing, got me switching up my bro again. My dog did his bid, he came back home, he switched this pole again. And I ain't even want to tell him to slide, he tryna go again. Once he got active, I said go again. Yeah, can get my check, cause I'm not average, all I know is win. Total blowout, it's like 0 to 10. Yeah. And this is expensive pain. When you ride through the trenches, bulletproof all on the range. This is expensive pain. Loving on the bitch you claim, knowing some rich niggas hit it. It'll never be the same. This is expensive pain. This is expensive pain. Went through some shit about this money. I seen some niggas change. Expensive pain. $1 million on the Richard in this plane. And it's crazy, I never checked the time. And now expensive frames, these Cartier. I want your bitch and I just call her here. We all in here. Ask about me and Stylus, I used to ball.